Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing code and dependencies so detection runs reliably. Create a virtual environment, then pip install OpenPython, NumPy, and Immutals. Import CV2 to verify. Next, choose a model. HAR cascades are fast and simple. DNN models give better accuracy. Download the XML or ONGS file now. Once done, place the model in your project folder and open a new Python file. You are ready to load the model and capture frames from your webcam. You will implement the core loop that detects faces in each frame. Load your cascade with CV2. Cascade classifier, or for ONGS, use CV2. DNN. Read net from ONGS and set backend/target. Then open CV2. Video capture, 0 and read frames continuously. Resize to a consistent width. Convert to grayscale for cascades or create a blob for DNNs. Run detect multi-scale or net. Forward to get bounding boxes and confidences, then apply non-max suppression to remove overlaps. Finally, draw rectangles and labels so you can visually verify. You will wrap up by adding clean shutdown and performance tweaks. Ensure video capture. Release and CV2. Destroy all windows, run on exit, and add try/ except for robustness. For performance, experiment with scale factor and min neighbors for cascades, or reduce DNN input size and enable a GPU backend to increase FPS. If results are poor, visualize the preprocessed frame or blob, mismatched color format, or wrong resize is the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.